can look alike, you can get close to somebody, but there can be only one original self. As I said, your fingerprint and also DNA. Until on this day that we remember Yenu Abema Ahmed Hussein Swali, any Ebony, and anybody who was falling like Yenu Abema around. Everybody is unique. Who will be shemukra on me yes or no da. And to tears now never think be proud, Bobo, come so and feel proud of yourself. You don't owe anybody a dime. Forget your beer. Yeah, Friday, live your life. Live your life. Say the Vodafone, the cash, they flow to San, the cash. Who live your life? Who could give Vodafone the beaches? Cash and they're hot to pan. Hot to just pay 3 Ghana cedis every month. Beer and I send the money. Who's sending it free? Na Vodafone chow near Maka. And your data crowd or muchicho. Just dial star 110 hash star 110 hash. Now register Vodafone cash. Register Vodafone cash. Yeah, I yell hot every month. Beer yet we chow 3 CDs free. Oh, Ayani Yamosika way. Now one crunch me every day. Yeah, chow. Awkward my usika so the Vodafone cash is what oh, madam, I just say, and the very cash. Ube Didi. Franco Cherry Enterprise, the phone, papa, no, dear Banim. One more cock of a phone says Akatel 1, any U3 tablets near the other. The name one on Facebook, I'm a person streaming near the now. Everybody is their own minute little journalist somehow, little reporter somehow. Demonstration here, because you bear corruption demonstration. They are quite a tablet in ADD. And to Franco says, Anako Jodia. One more a Adabraka Roxy Cinema on bus stop, Wildrua, who will be a veteran. And our friend 0546 133 188. 0546 133 188. If you the phone, papa, Vodafone, a year, first Franco, Ediaba. Would you Vodafone be shamed so I know we are called? What is Adom Bible quiz? As I said, your values near principles, no air, some of you are saying, it's shocking. They say we've lost what makes us originally Ghanaians, and it's any strong young couple. It's the Adom of Bible quiz, a Bania Barman Kolao, and Penino are sorry for the beer Bible. Until week 10, Presby Church of Ghana, Salvation Army Church, and a Church of Pentecost, 7-day Adventist. I was a man Mushia, week 11, sir. Today, just follow us on Adom. Natural details, DWASO roofing sheet, Bible Society of Ghana, Feco Star Spray, Irata Hotel, Roma Insecticide Spray, Franco Cherry Enterprise, Papa's Pizza, and the second king. Madam, and the Adom Bible quiz, no ever. And Adom TV, they say we are chum number 1. Yeah, now, you know go fit talk you. What do mean talk? A freak as your bow. A quiet dear paper with bedroom, because you to mean talk. You okay? You need the one and only. Shut up now, who call lawyer 1,000 Ghana. Before you see a lawyer and talk to a lawyer, no, I do 1,000. By my case, it's any free man. Adom TV. Numero uno. Number 1 keke. I see a dassy, Yadamasi. 2017-2018, back to back. Number 1. See Adamasi, they are chatting a pani at the bro. It is set tuned to all your great programs here, the Bromunina. And your bronya dio, a dear yo, Nina, and Chambronya, and your crackers every day with the balling, with the ball. 80 and 1 about Joy Prime match is a solid power. Now, I see a season hat, and they bro Joy Prime. They are not so any who follow about a Uber be woman. Said about wow, be show or come on. I told him because we're in the month of February. Now, I come on some or dot and one some near Kenty, but I come on home buying. And he assigned the race for hearts, not a baby. I said, the nipa bebona come at home buying, or show nipa any year, or come on, said the bay, said the ECG, or bay, or come on Sunday with 3:30 Miesha, the answer near my betty me. I have a ball body, no, I come and teach you no. Because body in says so, I command a pumpy mojano at the Kobe. 23rd February, yes, no part 4:30 a.m. Now for your health screening, you are near the health work now at us. Race for your heart. To make Emma wow, come on, Joa, come on. 5-star energy drink, any Note Cosmetics. I don't mean a Diana, Kaiser Apple, Womo Eta China, Joy Prime, and the race for heart, and the Ebro. Empty and so they had a solid request, a pan or the must see away. Empty and I got all requested on one fro, Sebra. Come and join and win cash. Could cash, a recash, ega, could enjoy the money. Empty and on how the Omar it is just dial 120 hash. dial 120 hash. MTN e che promo che say data nie sika wode mo ba bia obenya bia mo. Na unim say MTN so fry nya by force average ko to me ko keka bro fa kase forget it. E twi na be kan be ma o. Hausa na be kan bo dagbani na be kan enkran na be kan kwa mi no yo mi no to mi na e be hwe gudi ama. Nana smart nana ba ko pe nana trimuda hene the wines nana ayi wo nana asumasi wo the wines tokro bia mu bra be wura ehia so yo ba ko wo de be wo mu simple nana asumasi wo aye radio so ntimi nana asumasi wo the wines nana trimuda hene the wines na kapti udwane anti smart no nana smart wo dwane ko simple o mi miti na enye wholesale me nche no ma bo record wa ma se sia me awura na ma me obo miti no so me nye no wholesale nana asumasi wo no record That's smart, no. It's Momo every day, Momo everywhere. MTN I can wear a promo no dem. You can win 30,000 Ghana cedis. 120 hash now call. Star 120 hash. Yeah, you moja dey come blood bank for me to me call. Na just say call. Na discussion also dey na unim agbewo demonstration. You go cry for you agbewo demonstration. I said the NDC can MPP for Kungana for. Omo so ntena mo obi enkum obi a. But Adom FM ni Asempa FM Adom TV ni adomonline.com akabo Saturday ya 9th February ya jina na fe ya pe na de moa e de amaga na ne nyina yetumi enya ye che didi mo yonko da no da wo chena accident be sie ne pe moja kra de ama obi ne enya bi anopa 9am kosi awia 4 na che se hia kwame nkoma circle brasport wonum na ya twetwe moja ne kakra X mineral water ene wa wu mineral water na jai X mineral bu bottle no kwatu bottle here guys X mineral water utumu bottle ze bottle here guys Julius Zebra fie na mko say hey na chief who asabo mineral water be say X mineral water where guys or support your blood donation happy delight loaded with taste tasty be aqua fresh we the one the futel ni calipos wa ba calipos wa be huna mane wa Ghana na na do so problem politicians already calipo France ya wa be because of nanado Nanadu emre ni emre bi ese na nanadu wo hye ebi e kire yeso onum sa na kire ese efe de ese nanadu num juice nanadu ye short mind na nanadu de enu oda bi dai na nanadu obebre na tamo so nya den Ghana ha yeah o manfo na kase we are problem people Ghana for we are problem people na de efesi ani efa na yi ndi aka ni na color party no na Valentine na you are boy from for instance man I so me never give chance. Gone away far away from me senses. Oh Lord, oh God. You a boy from foreign, for instance. Man, I heard this, so me never give chance. Gone away far away from me senses. Oh Lord, oh God. Give me higher love. And I'll give you all my riding. Give me higher body. This is Ebony's latest part. Released by Papa no Kwani din the same. That be needing the guy them na me pay. Whenever you Star Boy Quatting, Star Boy GH, we a guy, a crack guy, Star Boy Quatting. Ebony latest near Choguru. Be your own driver, be your own life. Like them, forget you. Be a Iranese Yakumi was studio member of MPP communication team. Bro Judge and Vice NDC communication team member. The best starting discussion is here. It's where the Agbewo driver, Agbewo. Kwa nanadu oke onye mi oke ni no we kuma anya Agbewo kwa mini nya Agbewo ya ba Agbewo kwa boot for boot 2020 awa ya le boot for boot Mahamas cry yeba touch my body like a foreign boy so inside na why you put me sleep touch the numb call him good inside na I love you I love me to sleep or you trying to tell the truth inside na boy why you say inside na I say boy why you say inside na touch my body like a foreign boy so inside na why you put me sleep touch the numb call him good inside na I love you I love me to sleep or you trying to tell the truth inside na gone away far away from me senses. abusua for the best anum say unim say later on in the day from 10 ekwe International Press Center ni enua bema Ahmed Hussein Swale so yakokai no ne aye memorial at the amano because no life is warranted say ebeko onyankopon no kra obo nipa da se ni ko se nipa wu a eye ne ya se nipa bewu but akwakoya ade da honti. What can we do? Era NSEA Okumi, a member of MPP communication team. I trust Era Brojaji and Fiso Beba. On say NDC member of the communication team. Near Nena Achichen Komo. Yansha Agbewo demonstration all because of what NDC is describing as security breach. He said, "Yamsa Ome Yumu Ama say to say what da cry, what two pnumo de shenga the crash chile, what the passiga the one cry. You are not safe." This is the commentary according to NDC, which is why a more stage Agbewo demonstration in collaboration with all opposition parties. In the era and we want to buy MPP for Monamotia Kunyaso. Nyangbewo.
Sister Fia, when you were winning.
Oh, Nyangbewo.
Davi, what winning.
Oh, Nanka, opposition parties in Yankomwa boom led by Bernard Mona. Chandra demonstration here from Circle to Ministry of Interior, everywhere, and then finally to Flagstaff House.
Sister Fia, anope ye betia wetie for na ya jebrena ye din komo ye chia obibia wetie ne party mpanifo nya ye chia His Excellency the President of the Republic His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo and then the Vice His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na ya chia party mpanifo nya na anopa we asema wo kan de em say no ko omuni say your constitutional right enti say obi exercising the constitutional right and so won't you mean preventing it from exercising the right? And he said, Yenuanom NDC for beko demonstration na ebia omati omwegu monten so aka omase machra ban anase omodi omo petition ama ban penny for there. Sana da ne da ye no anase in accordance with the tenets of democracy no. Won't you mean stop you from doing that? Demo de ye betimi aka anase de ye nso ye right ye betimi aka wan asem ni say question be abisa and say is there an issue say here and I say a premature issue now omo take it up na hono na me face say I mean so me right and I say also right so betimi achima ha aka wansem eti obi say then e buy enti omo ti omo agum monten so omo say omo yesa oye kire no na the see any say yakọ by election ewo ayawaso I think we as the MPP no yakan with all certainty say we don't support violence and we think say what happened there is very unfortunate and on it is very loud and clear your party in Penifuaka His Excellency the President in Swaka me anso ameti me obi anso me so make say say we as a party we don't believe in violence and we don't support it and we think it is very very unfortunate say sa incident nesi na sister Fiamaka sa no obi sa ho say adenti ni aba bedu baby ayaba bedu no na me ana de bia me ka say nsem a esi nyina no ya ade a ebetimi esi biem ana na ade nso a yempese ebesi biem ana na say yempese ebesi biem so a na eden na wo say yeye sa questions we na me address in masama me ba be kenyina na just say wa settle question here we answer that. Also, what have it but me you see, I think this is just more legitimate, which why I emphasize they have a right. But just say, by election to me commanded this kind of violence. Exactly.
Although I have a point, say, by elections, Chipone, Bimbila, Tiwa, they were violent. In fact, Chipone crowd, somebody was shooting into the crowd, the National Security Operative.
Yeah,
but the entire young Koyechi near Koyenim is to improve and make ourselves better. In this day and age, and be a protection by my and the my was on
Tobo. Etiunim, fine, so I can't walk back. I will list up all these historic events in Nina. Nami, I don't want to even go back and do that comparison.
By back, they are good.
A good, I'm saying good, say, Umpona, Ademia corner, and Yamina Mabobo. Before I ever call election, no, and Yambia out to say Yenyanum NDC for making statements. Me to yenya otukuno mante kwa meti se oka wona no say omo de omo nim say MPP for the invincible forces beba na they are prepared for them and they are going to match them boot for boot Metisa statement.
Yeah, but why are you even taking invisible forces if that's what he said that? What the omoko akweden?
Na see inform ko evidence show say the omoko.
That be so on also you are quoting him say or say on
me cha onyama ni bia esi ye ntia ama ya bedu baby ya bedu no. We see one thing that we forget to say is say MPP as a party, we are in government, so we form the government and we have the party as well. Now the see biano. I say the government as a machine, nankasa ewo honom no. If the government have reasonable suspicion, say obi kodin say munu bi obebia and obi kodin say money bi obebia, the state institution shouldn't act.
Yes, the state institution can have that. Now I didn't think police for.
Say police for act.
But some go for amoko so many police for.
Sister, if you are evidence to say,
police for.
Oh, sir.
It's been confirmed by Minister of State National Security and Gaza. So police for.
Yeah, but
national security operatives.
Thank you. But before the election, it was expressly communicated to all the parties. Say, police for, national security for, immigration for, prisons for.
Yeah, then a police officer say, interview the evening of the by-election. We don't know this man. We don't know where they came from.
The American also no say easy communicate. So the animal parties na. No cre.
Parties saying.
Say political parties who have interest in the election it was expressly communicated to them say bambo for ebeba jumedie na ase no police for soldier for prison service for and immigration and national security.
Omo kan and how come say easy for him na a friend saying police commanders on the ground don't know the men.
Tobo. Say Yankase police for Nkwande.
I'm saying that also easy crowd communicating my political parties and say yenim A B C D 4 when never protected.
Yes.
Fine, fair enough. Fair enough. How is it that easy nim and easy is communicating but police commanders on more ground that you munim?
I don't know what's on answer. Adebako so crampo I also when he say in every operation and I say police when we say come live for now more muye jumai your commander away in charge and he knows all the men who are on the ground working. It's on no police ni so ni ma. I don't know, it's for him to answer. And you see and no kwansunti ever back to the point.
If said the NDC allegation if it is indeed true I say moye mona modern konfo guwa which has been confirmed by Minister say they were his boys. They are national security operatives. That these boys here show more mask in here. That be no more buy. Me ma ko buy elections bebre o.
No correct.
I've seen national security for other people near me who am soldier for na ya bo who de camouflage. That's how they call it. Soldiers camouflage
face mask.
Obi. But police there maybe it's my own ignorance. Maybe I'm not a police officer but I have not seen this
the police dressed in that
in this way. I would say combat team for a simple by-election that is already your seat. Was it warranted?
Sister Fia, na me no ya adwen na asema a oka no so no ebem the memo who say even His Excellency the President no ya adwen say I didn't know set up the commission of inquiry because in his mind no also face say bia den abroso but no one can take away the fact say the state institutions had reasonable suspicion to act and they acted. Now as to whether they exceeded their powers and I said dom ye na broso anti na commission no ebe hwehwemu ama bibia deadi no enti ano de wo kan meet me nka say bia de wo kan enti sa yes enti na aban atisa commission of inquiry no ene be ma ye hu ne kofa baaye as to whether adene so baaye no whether the police or the security agencies exceeded their power even as to say national security no pe omo to mean say ombetimi acha sanya ma we nyina ba be daddy na ni nyina echi ni kwampo na aban de sa endo a yenya echi ne yewura esiedu nketi akan o se omo de omo mpe commission of inquiry bia I am your baby say bibi wo wa onu ni ma ye ni ma mpese commission ni be banti no mpese commission ni be adwuma na esu amusu say agbe wo amokot na eno agbe wo na man 40 street to a twa selfie no sana me
na twa selfie
oh na we hu
na no ye ni
thank you say well eti o pese Ghanaians sympathize you see adina esi no kwa na pese dead dia na enti wo hwehwe mu a wo face Steph o man kasa gitum say bibi ko akọ wrong I don't know who so no show shoes no.
I know they say boot sign na mo ye.
Oh, sir, na no mo si no mo twa pictures no. Uni dey mi sumo mo ni enu no go hospital no. Because enke ye no mo tema mo ma. And even on the street in the campaign they will let the rest of us know say they feel for them but their actions don't show. Agbewo no bi tika kwan mu what's his name, their organizer no Capito. Yeah. Akamba tiwa crossing in a traffic channel page and is our fans. And on a
demonstration stance.
No, you can't call it a stance. No. Because I tell you you are so free in society. Obi ayeku na was our freedom at me etina ka kwemu. Enya wo demo, enya the party office. It was the street. And I say I just said they chose the wrong topic. Why they come? Because you want to mean yes, freedom no. And Kotana on cross 9 years agaga now. Uncle other East African countries.
Say be on say how much more we enti muni case bi anje say.
How much here or there?
How much say mo nyangba me. Nyangba me. Enti any am humba na omu chop pictures bi na.
Omo for am say mo. Enti na make some question be say. The see here no. Ye pese CBM. Ana ye pese be CBM.
Okay.
Say ye pese be CBM so so bisa ho sa na mo tu obe na yetu. And a bit you see, I understand say as an opposition party, sometimes they don't have that ultimate responsibility and say or shebia ni omusosa, but they can contribute in a positive way. They can make input. Share the omo kikeni the omo ye. It will face person omo preventive BB.
As omo preventive future said about 2020 because the boys be gumo.
Omo kasa
if you want to cry omo for instance candidate if you there was no cause for alarm. No arms. There was nothing. They were just sitting there trying to say candidate be a ko baby opemora.
Sitting there.
Into the boys are called one man mora and I call the polling station called to about it. Just mora. Everybody lie down sleep.
Tobo. I don't know me be some new BSM say yenya yakọ by elections and as yakọ elections be in premier show so on so akobi sometimes o call flashpoint a utim se nkofu bi aboche nkuti baby omo any stake in the election but omo ti ho and omo killers no
go freedom of movement you can't say they should not move.
Yeah, but the police has every right say so almost suspect say amoka will fear they will come there and take the amoka say now me no tia din come say police and as national security or any reasonable belief say aha yeti say bomb bisha omo right on beba abeseche say no so you're right.
I know there that is so.
That is the authority of the state.
That is so.
And I keep telling my brothers on the other side say look, when you fail to recognize the power of the state will crush you. Utie kasa omokan na even kasa omokan sesia bibia no eche say omo person omo prevent ade from happening again. I am telling you because they don't admit that on their part. Also okay no me catch us say yes we as NPP engine tum ana ye nsoso violence
so mo admit say ayewaso de no went wrong or it went overboard or a force now we use and was excessive.
My answer to our question that me say the fact that His Excellency the President has constituted a commission to look into it now it's an admittance say maybe they may have exceeded. That is why we want to know. But as it stands now, we cannot pinpoint say a CNNT commission the report in the bar. But in his eyes, he perceives say ebia bibianko into our set commission. Because ebia ko then there is no basis say obe set up commission. Commission in the bar. And you be wine a year then and wine they see say the coach say. Now omo demonstration no omo ye ni omo ne na omo ye no. And I will be bisa un say for be say enti idea. Omo person omo avoid such happenings in future na. I want no be catch you say there be. Omo na mo tu omu tu na interest.
Na mo dey then na mo here chese mo so mo person mo avoid be. And this is not in power. Mo na mo power. What have you done to show say mo person basa e bia beba?
Enya na His Excellency the President commission inquiries into it.
Omo say omo njindi. Kofi Adom say commission no cry no. And now nkofo no he was flawed in his argument to say omo MPP sympathizers because Professor Mesa Bonsu she's an authority
on her own.
She family the record no. Obi I don't I will take her to ICC on the Obi I'm short President Rollins the time but this man has an unparalleled record until no there anyone but omo che say I don't know come nya ye wie the commission of inquiry na mo dey cosmetic ma she da person be keka brofo na be ka che na de kunum se Ghana so lawyers akese we say so brofo so do be tro bi pa plus abochi second be tro brofo aba you just want some people to write English
sir it's omo dey omo petition call IGP on no and omo dey omo petition call no omo say petition and yes
omo say na go say mo train petition no na mo read the issues so omo raise it in the petition and then go ahead to form a commission or do work on it.
How does that change the validity or the terms of reference of the
because
commission?
we preempt issues no
Which issues are we?
Issues of
but we said we are commissioning the inquiry because of Omo petition.
And I saw no me key stay go. You no withdraw from election.
No, we are doing it because of Ghanaians and you.
Oh. I just said more commission of inquiry and NDC petition on the abandoned bogus.
Na I can't mount you and Kersink. Yeah, because of Ghanaians. Ghana 14-year commission inquiry into it. And it is almost for me part of the normal petition about who factor it in. But and yeah, money basis in I was here train and more petition back and Sunday I set the inquiry the commission. I mean how? As someone okay in the teen in fan now baby sound say omo petition na no mo dey ban. Say petition and can't ton chiniana. It doesn't show somebody who wants solution to the problem. And as a stakeholder, so a solution to the problem. And you want to abetuno. And then betting say parliamentarians say show placards or parliament showing their dissentiment. Almost you know, police head office. I call deposit a petition there. Or then you are, I mean. Would they be say as some year can one say me Yankasano? Is this something that warrants the actions no more taking now? And if he doesn't want, I don't know why would all opposition parties come together for this cause? Who can say easy sir? Opposition parties now are singing one song against you as a government in power. Say man ye. And then you are CSO, civil society groups, and idea people have internet UNDP crack commented said no. I have Sweeney. Na so man call Shimwenda. Money better Monton. Modi say ya na modi outdrew 2020. Mafi ambokum Ghana for nyina mobiasa just because mbese stay in power. Why would you think opposition parties need civil so everybody will be singing one tune against you? Amon permanent mana. Look, from beginning, Makacho said, Yang as MPP, as a party, we have condemned it. And tonight is now we are singing the same tune. Among to Nyumbia different from the year too. We are also saying that what happened there was no good. And we are saying that if it is no good, what should we do? And no buying or responsible and show leadership by commissioning inquiry into the matter. And by commissioning inquiry into the matter, almost all my stakeholders, they will be invited. And then Amibisa say, why are they jumping the gun? Is it because someone say through the commission, issues be about ye be who say ebia adiwe and then say because I don't think the security agencies are that stupid. Say they just jump into the fray and decided to misbehave. No. But
one videos no.
Yeah, me videos no.
No one who said there one single person, one of the videos, one single person, he probably 20. No more butu no.
That is the part we are all saying it is not right. But there's also another side. Me share live TV. I was on live TV, and they were recording. I saw a deputy youth organizer, Pablo, John Dumelo. They were at one of the Legon polling station. Whilst the presenter was speaking with Pablo, before everyone, Adom Agbana was pushing somebody. Pushing
it's in the video.
Yeah, it's in the video. I think at Tinka TV. I was on live TV, and the presenter even actually said, "Wow, look at what the guy is doing." You see, and in this case, what do you have for it? And I saying, say, irrespective of what they do, make sure they. And to all yes, I know. Ananka police ni no. On say, oh yes, I know. Police ni babi jina. Ano catch and say, unjai the oyen. Oh, see no. Why are you intimidating me? Why? I was even shocked. Now. Imagine saying police need and Sabona. We all go condemning the act for getting the irresponsible manner he behaved.
Police are mandated to use reasonable. They allowed. The law allows them to use reasonable force where the person is resisting arrest. Reasonable force. But to share, they say in some of the videos, one person, is this reasonable force? Is this proportional? Assume it's any and now the idea more.
It is not in doubt. Makacho say, and none we are all condemning. We the MPP are condemning.
You are condemning.
We are condemning some aspect now. How can I say?
Fine. So, but they've cited issues like kidnapping. They've cited issues about Nipekumkuma and say Kosui, Gapoa, dear Mami, any other ones. I bet any they are putting all that together to say, there's a state of insecurity.
I know quite some security. I say, how do we determine whether a state is in a state of insecurity?
When the people feel insecure.
No.
When the people feel insecure.
No. We look at the level of crime. AC. vis-a-vis your population.
One yes, you know, formula.
And yes, Tobo, Sister Ambisas, and to say you could obi. Say obi finifia na say be acosta bi na yekuninti e wa now say the state is insecure.
Now, an isolated case.
And the second country is insecure.
Yeah, but you see, but
it's when the bombings took place in Kenya, and does that make the country insecure?
But Kenya is insecure. Kenya is insecure. And you're bombing back home. There's been a lot of attacks. You see, that's what I'm saying. That I'm insecure. And you see, when we want to solve this security, I'm person generalizing them now. Waka kidnapping issue. Kidnapping issue to your mukasa. Almost say, "Been see that, been see your mind with that." But mate, even one example. Some media ni bina no attack radena. Almost say incophobia kidnapping na my raping na. I think the people said it was a make-up story. No, no, it was not. It was not a kidnapping case.
But she said she was kidnapped.
But it was not, and she has a condition.
You, Martin.
Your friend said, very figure on it, but it was not a kidnap case. It was staged.
Mate. But say you no person mu prove say BBS ebi a security situation BBS CC our mining our more time no more power and BBS and they should prove to us say ebi a more power and this were their security policies. No we implementing na crime AC and MPP buy and this security policy be aba. And I implementing and no name for you.
The Rollins the time. I know say material killing. Everybody raise issues, including MPP for ya. About say and Ghana Hanum and who come out and or baby anama. No, I need them 5 o'clock program on Johnny. You spoke about it.
Yes, so I'm going to tell you.
NDC for they can say kidnapping when you isolated kidnapping.
Yes.
Girls me and son. There's been other cases. In when I got poor, you couldn't some style. You couldn't win a star, you couldn't win in I said so they are worried. I mean, saw this and to inform public policy and also to educate the masses. No, Mamita and Kakana men can't say show. Security as a concept all over the world. Fine, pa. 1 month to make the one I should have called one opinion said they
Sister, let me take my time. Security as a concept all over the world has not developed the way the world wants it. Now, in order for you to know that what I'm telling you is the absolute truth, and they say, Bisa say, why is it that all over the world now, until the world is hit by a major event, you don't see security being developed? If you compare security to policies like equal or concept like equality, and I say freedom, and I say liberty, and I representation, you see that, and I say human rights, you see that all these concepts have developed very well, and various states have bought into it. Now, what advanced countries are doing is say, Omankasa tele up security that solves their problem, that works for their people. But Ghana, all over the years, no, we've not been able to match up there. In order for you to also know, say, as some make understand it here, no, why do you think, say, all over the world, harbor near there, any ports all around the world were not fenced or were not being protected until 2003, 2002, when the world was hit by the 9/11? Check it. So I'm saying that
it was a new world security measure. Because that exposed security flaws in the system.
Yeah, that's what I'm showing you. That's what I'm telling you.
So then there was a new regulation that every country be a port
where you say, oh yes, thank you. Even the airport here, if you pass around airport, airwalker, you see say walk or two or cry and chair. I'm just telling you that security as a concept all over the world, Nankasan, has not developed the way we want it. Look, check even into academia. What are the literatures on security? Do you have any? Have you ever come into Ghana context, Nankasa, and say, do you see any literatures on security?
There are literature.
No.
There are literature.
Compared to the concept of human rights, compared to equality.
Oh, no, there are literature.
How many?
There are literature.
I'm sure
telling you.
No. You're only answering the question.
Anti-terrorism conference, UN, I was there.
Yeah.
Last, I think, summer. Last year at the UN, there is literature. But he was there. I met him. No, unless you have not researched, there is.
I am telling you.
There is literature.
No, it's not.
I'm telling you, there is literature.
The word I'm using.
We have a whole Kofi Annan peacekeeping center sitting in Ghana. In Ghana for years, can I ask him? General ask him, yes, that they worked as security, not just ordinary, at top level UN. Literature. We have literature. I know they don't question.
I'm sure you are not getting the drift I'm making.
No.
The fact that you have one or two
and yeah, one or two. We have literature on security.
Point to them. So you should be able to mention like 10 on your tips.
Books.
No, you're only referencing people.
Oh, it doesn't have to be books. It can be journal. It can be articles.
But which journal have you mentioned?
Oh, Pacho.
Boy journal. You've mentioned names
because
of
I'm sitting here. I can't.
Exactly.
But I'm telling you, say, look, General Erskine, the work he did. There's literature on him. The security work he did. There's literature on even Ghana peacekeeping. The work we've done at the UN level. The work we've done contributing to security in the sub-region in Africa. There is literature. I beg, I know there is literature. Not getting the drift. Oh.
You see, the fact that you can point to one or two books of the chefs. No.
Don't make a sweeping statement that there is no literature. There is literature.
I am saying that I compared security to other concepts, and I expressly made a statement. Say, look,
breaking security in it down. But if you come to the umbrella topic of security, we have literature. Oh. We have literature.
Let's move on. I'm sure you are not ready. No. So far,
David, don't come.
Because if I should ask you other concepts, right?
Security, literature.
No, you don't get it. How?
We have literature on it.
I have done the research, and I'm telling you
there is literature on it.
You can't.
There is data, not just literature. Data on security. There's data on it. Hey, let's move on. If security experts are attacking you, there's literature on it.
No, I'm just making.
There is.
And it is
maybe
true.
A literature is not up to other countries. It's America and the UK. I'm taking security as a priority.
In the world, but there's limited literature compared to other concepts. I'm telling you. I'm sure when you speak to your experts, they will tell you, say, what I'm saying is an absolute truth. They will tell you. Nobody is saying, say, a new one like books. I'm saying that compared to other concepts, you can't talk about it in that way. And they know it. If you like, ask them. Most of them, their experiences are in their head. Can say, if you want to develop security as a concept, let's focus and develop the security. Over the years now, Ghana security policies that the police and as security strategies are police for implementing. All of us don't even know as to whether it is working or not. We don't even know. It has always been shared like. Also, history. Also, one from 2000. Why do you think those things were happening? And if we are asked what solved the problem, do we know it? But yes, though, I think you made a statement said there are literature, and this are major events that were
killings. There's a lot of literature about it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I will be happy to see one. Next time,
but research there is,
oh, the next time,
and then the conclusion was even that he wasn't responsible for all the benders. Some of them were not even serial killings. They were just copycat cover up.
And you have a literature on it.
I'm telling you, there's literature which I have read. I don't make a conclusion. I don't make a conclusion. There is literature on it.
But the next time,
yes. There were 19 women. But you can't. And literature has confirmed that too.
Good. So next time when I would love to read.
So the conclusion is that the most important thing among Crawford Baby worried that UNDP and other people are talking about this is we have a major election ahead of us just next year, 2020.
Yeah.
That's a say na modebe kwa. In fact, if you look at our numbers, there was low voter turnout was low, but anybody it can be due to so many things, not necessarily because of any. Because normally by election, number two, a middle class area, and about 1 year to the weekday, nobody has time to go and vote seriously, and then go for apathy cry against politicians. But more MPP as a government, I'm more here in charge of security. Do you have a plan for 2020? To I ensure so be our peace of mind.
The NPP need not to have a plan for the state. It is the state that must have a plan for the people. And we as a party, we need not to have a plan for the state or the citizenry. However, I believe police is aware of whatever that has happened. And like I mentioned earlier, when such issues happen, you look at it and see how you can enforce preventive measures. And also be making sure say baby I be doing do some pension bi. Enti security and say police for asedi say ombetu anamoa coming 2020 election yehu sa enyama yehu biem no. And I'm sure the police because we've heard the IGP saying say omankasa investigations into what happened. And I'm sure as part of the investigation there will be conclusions and there will be recommendations.
It's more trust police for no because then this is other parties in there. Oh, almost your munji.
Sister, if you are none, ya no more power, no more police need you. Never any say no mukodi opposition all of a sudden munji police in the. Sometimes you ask yourself, but when people have the opportunity, they don't do what is expected. We now we should allow our institutions to work. Until all of a sudden, we don't want our institutions to work.
Okay.
And I say, Bibi or more money. Because if they know something better than we do, then they should tell us. Other than that, all that we can is to expect the CCI by some way police near the bomb. O competition police. Yes, to no say until person wine more by.
But at least we're making a point say on Joe Mundi. And I think that's also fair. Say police for say be more.
Everybody has a standard. And right so Becca say on G police in the. But does that translate into the fact say police for
but can the opposition parties be sure say investigation ya mo se mo ye mo be ye no crunching obi akoma beto ne yam say we dey unbiased investigation.
So what members are mudi members of the commission are mudi where the can cast nim before ye very independent and no quite sure but tire nipa now commission inquiry no or the etaichi say yeah no person o skew towards a possible directional say ko for anko the umbe by so ujitum said those behind it independent they should expect an independent report that will solve our problem. It means they make and them GDO report never about and will solve our problem, which will give clear guidelines as to the way forward. Nemo own him say peace is not a cheap thing to buy. And maybe in order not to preempt no, na commission no say these are the roadmap. If in election A, B, C, D, Monfan 2 place. Modi and also Kwako 2 place. No one say because and also they will consider it as a roadblock.
Say no more stakeholders, so you need to engage them on the more person no.
But you see, when you want peace, it's not necessarily to satisfy all stakeholders. So it's necessarily to do the right thing. And probably that is what we Ghanaians we lack. Or the upper state and as a state institution and the right thing. We sit back and we will rather criticize. We will look at we criticize constructively. Anything Mr. Mishati and Mikacho say, hey, you're right, somewhere demonstration. But as to the substance of it, the omo can say baby woman and on the account. And you say, all right, so Becca and two so now Kasake, Debbie. Substance a baby woman was here 5 mana and drapa sister if you say me ka say kan de back on when no mo demonstration mo kan ya e bia to me sure say wunya binka
why NDC
mo kan to was office we there ujitum say no crack kwan so to was
I don't matter is the matter those who matter is omo here you know
yeah citizens no me boa no me say it didn't matter to me ntia na me kana onjindi
there be na say wo there wo ye They would the NDC for more kind of same crown the crowd, they won't matter to you.
Ominia Babia and Amini Casa, so Nusia Antonasum. Me I just saying Kofu Becasa studio on Becasa and Thomas. So,
Mamma can message you and then the Broja and Fiam man I say, oh, then I saw no Metasia and as you could be a member of the communication team, only Broja and Fibat, you're a Broja and Fiat to me and Bas student, or Fire no baby. But Mamma can test message Thomas from Pon, not if we all need peace in this dear country, but NDC very hypocritical. Remember what they did in Etiwa, any chip on any day, the Omoto one more mocha. Now, Engineer Daniel no say if you are we here to listen to literature see Musa say literature and Oba so Baba can we na Leo Schmidt and not even lady please try and engage with people who can talk because I won't be able to say that word on radio. Don Jaribu no see imagine even this man is a politician. Ghana party well that is also a bit not fair and derogatory. I don't think there also person will be a kind of sometimes it should be fair, but to fire him, just be fair. I'm here Ghana say if you tell them they should respect themselves and Ghanaians, they shouldn't be insulting people. Yeah, but Ibia, Patrick said it. My imagine say boot for boot, you never adopt TV. Would you attend on Facebook? Either see a video at him, and I can't cry because to the young conform and so to radio starts audio to me. Oh, yeah, baby. And I can't see my yeah, baby. Or sometimes, Charlie. Obi papa obi mama pa no obi ahye that as obi sopa no ona ho what to dokrom obi adi so boot for boot fire obi pa wi ani a block e o na ko Yeah, from my DNB. Michael Brew. And I say, what is he talking about? These young guys entering politics, this is their attitude towards national issues. So, stomach in Ghana, we are doomed or canon. Thomas Frimpong, I say NDC brought their own cannon to the bush, but the bush was stronger than the cannon. Meaning, Tom, Sikaya, and I say, ask your president concerning the kidnapping issue and what he's doing about it. So, no, yeah, no, what you are doing about Jedra, and also, please, if you are the guest, should be careful because one day we'll taste the same beating. Oh, opinions beating there. Obian to me, Bobio. Aaron Agbeko, Ametewe, and I say, that's my royal vim on air, looking fresh vim, and Ope Mechia on production team Ninya. Moro Al Hassan, I say, I will always love you, what a vim. Media me do pa, Moro Al Hassan, me so me love you, what a. I say, one day MPP will be in opposition. And Nana Kwajo Brefon I say, wow, if you have a Kavim lady, we are knowledgeable pa. J drama can't comment, was on their baby. But Daniel Ando, I'm not saying those who went there have no rights being there. You don't stay there. You don't even vote there. So why can't you stay in your house? Why were they allowed there in the first place? Michael Brewer, see, these young men, we are trusting, I'm sorry, we are entrusting the nation to will bring change. Look at what they are doing from both sides. If you doesn't want to understand what the gentleman is saying, this is the context of Ghana and how it is made public and of public consumption. I think that's what you want to say. Anthony Ayome, and I say the man is a confusing element. Michael Moke, I say what will the commission do? Just a waste of taxpayers' money, keke, and a commission. Rosalind Koko Adom Meza, and I say Vim. When are you returning to okay, that one. J-Dra, what the message by 1,000 so you cannot hijack Facebook, no, Mobisu Kevina, and yes, I will not be fair to the person. Engineer Daniel also there, but can look, I see they are SWAT team for 2020. You own account. Stephen Boafo, no Stephen lady, good morning, and open come Gladys night, tete, and also Stephen and open me chow. Engineer Daniel Pacho, you be mindful of what you say. I beg you. Derogatory words, I cannot repeat it on the radio because that would be very defamatory to somebody's parents or father or Charlie. Nana Kwejo Brefo no say if you are now say man was sweaty. What tata no question was sweaty. Charles Nyame, I was American say at least the Agbewo demonstration has shown that it is not only NDC that is complaining about insecurity and leadership failure, but it is also a lot of Ghanaians, especially women. And on Osidia Bano, Kwani Banana Kwame Dakwa the second. Say good morning, Vim. Do you remember Justice Samoma for Sound? His ruling on Ghana's 50 Commission inquiry. This commission set up by the president is deliberate attempt by government to allow MPP hooligans and again. I cannot do that because a person is innocent until proven guilty be in a court of competent jurisdiction. So I can't repeat some of those words. Amisco spelele ewa kaswa no say Amisco was even good job pa no pay to me. The NDC is plus or minus 1 in Ghana. Parliament near the end. I wish the NDC never stopped this irrelevant demonstration. At least the pure water and African fan and sobolo and popcorn sellers will get a juma to do. Agbo demonstration. More monies for our traders. Into Omunya more demonstration. Honorable Abedi Kwadas will come and say Nyantechi breaks silence on Anas number 12. You this man pa even Ayawaso West Ogun election crown has clear a men's gold issue. Nyantechi pa what a coefficient Nyantechi. He should keep quiet. I will anyo Wakotiano say if you what are or where the findings of the trip on Talensi Etiwa Akotia where Agbogloshini etc. Do we have a president? Did we have a president then? What are we doing under what were they doing under NDC regime? We had a lot of investigation. Man found report and then ombe Agbowodia and almost omuntie omo onone de na ode abano. Pacho my messages and these are the ones that I got from me. But and then I make us we are in black because of Yenya Bema Ahmed Hussein Swale because you see we cannot continue to do this. I was say a boy ho ban and na wo yonko da eno da nti this morning ye nyina sorry ye call press center ho ne akwa koshia na ye nyina ye ne abusuafo ne Itaga IP na obi a che say look life it is simple but it's also not simple until we should be each other's keeper. That's the only thing we can do. Blessed Tony Law the message you there about him asem no pa no waka no this life we should be no judge of anybody's character. Obi a living a life after all Yakopon class ye many nyina enyini ono Yakopon will determine which one is right and which one is not. Eugene Asamoah Asumani was a rest well Ebony and Yakopon for us. Belinda Athan was irreplaceable indeed. Ebony dear life is so unfair. Say enkofo bi nenam ho se wo mutitabom nanso ebinum ekra eko Rocky Pozo no oh my 90s bag girl pa nene woda baby ba say Yakopon emfa no ensiem yeboa agama no say rest in peace Ebony kwesi esuma so say rest in peace Ebony na ya say wa ampema adepa London burger ba ko pe numero 1 wasi awo afia asem mareko enso biguso a me bom pae ama me baba ba ko pe aye Benjamin no say I'm listening to you ewo I say I'm listening to her voice on Hits FM and maybe over interview and I'm loving her. I still miss her. Any ayua and there was so. I'm obeying Emmanuel no say I'm a ruler. Call me Caesar. Ebony lyrics no and na ebi ono e recite e wa no. Amas Richards no say I'm speechless. I still can't believe say she's actually gone. Dossi J1 no say RIP Ebony. We are irreplaceable indeed. Na Philomena Amwa say oh Ebony me so no pay makai me yawo. Asanto Abakwame no say she was the only one. Asanto Abakwame there obeye. I say was she the only one who died that day, boss? Be sensitive a little. What it? Sometimes muti social media na mo kasa. Ya mo refi say sabi. Nipa nkwa ho asem na wo was he the only one who died? Kolebu. Na ko mochi e wo kuma se na ko e roll call why? Ne hwe nipa o mu wu sa da no. No. But how do you do that? Obi ba this year kase wu at just 21. Now you're kind of now sympathize with other no, but other people look in the world. Jesus Christ, how many years? There were people who died with Jesus Christ on the stake. 2 other people died with Jesus, but he's the one we remember because he's the Son of God and he was our Savior. And yet, history will remember some people, whether you like, whether by default or not. To be sensitive, I say, on the sometimes you are final comment na yenko.
Sister Fia,
will you give us peace in 2020?
Oh, peace is rest assured. When you say yen and 70 baby one more yen MPP no, we believe in the tenets of democracy, and I can confidently tell you say there's nowhere Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo obeto to peace a ewo oman mu ase. Enti osha na montu mpo a wa started to ene nhihye a wa started digu akwan mu na it is rest assured say in 2020 and there will be peace. Yenuanom NDC for so your best say it doesn't take a person or it doesn't take one to tango. They also have a stake in there. It's your best say omon place omon ye niama ebeboa amasa peace no aye well defined and established. Na 2020 ye nyina yakomu atima exercise a democratic right na ye few money dey asumdwe ni celebrate whoever comes out victoriously na ye nim say ye be win nti ye ntoto sa peace na secret because na ye win na ya toto sa peace na sa na yan why na ye ba be govern nti everybody should be rest assured say peace in there it is established. Yeah, that's it, baby. Yera NS Yakumi, a member of MPP communication team. Yemfa a chopper more for because Bojajin fee and to me am ambassador and command person what was brought to you by adomonline.com. Cindy Rice and Amanak Real Estate Omode a estate in Hunsamwa a form as I see a problem in whom Omode Emma and me cherish a niece. I say yes, so school and they are birthday na say auntie if ya wabomidin dia nyakopo e shop yade nondu kasebo ene yade ebro dwede hu kasebo ebebo amu ate aponemum mamenka o se kala party no so baso live and colored ene adom asempa ene adom TV ni asempa babia ni nyina ne yade ebro ne ebeto ludu o worry bouncy castle bibia ye be ye chese ye nyina ye kwakosha efo Sutherland Park na chese se de be chiri aboso because life is short one way ya na adechemu nsem ade anchu but
When you say Adom FM, the odolastic Valentine Eddie bro, odolastic, odo tight, love one ten, love more than any Eddie bro Valentine. Into Valentine we say any nya Valentine no kwano get no boy no idea. And then maybe the aya kwadura any boy mra wamra duku, wamra lace, wamra way. Enya you see enya you forget to cry. Friday way, yeah, chance your pa until your WhatsApp video bia wono do ebe ye chese we the love one ten. Fabra now we need Moso Valentine Makwako Bachelor Mupa. And then this has been special edition of DWASO NSEM Corruption Watch brought to you by Vim Lady Afia Pokia. So then come my production team Nina. List of Kojo for your name Mamaga, any Papaga, a producer, any Joshua Tigo, your first and Kofi Didi for. Kofi Fudia and Suchi Alaya, Chess, one so boy, Kofi Asan, and the production team near you as well. How soon Ebonisa Yade non do a Jedi Casibono Etwaso Edia Manope. Good morning. The Shaun Kwasuye, not chilling beer, Nena, any ene. If I'm a Vim lady, mean to say, my main Casabi, Nacasa dear. It be, I shall watch now to mean Casarati. Said you are Babette was This mama munyina chebra so say the dwade kasebo fra Adom 106.3 FM so ebro midday ene ohima sachiwa ahwenepa akrofi ye sha se ana dwumtuni kwadwo antwi adwum no to de na so wo say adwuma na wo mo hwo no eye adwade ene sa ye gigi nkrofo ani enti e kabo mo friend show business no wo de adeshade ato Ghana sikafo ne adefo ene mpanifo ani mu say se kakra wo wonsam a woni a e wo sa adwumto anase sini yi adwuma mu no ya na de bia paja won sansa wono enam obi so enam wadum pempenso a we na woka abo Samuel Essen Jonah ya eta friend no Sam Jonah abaso aka ne pani na woda Anglo Gold Ashanti adwumako na no say wo sansa wonya dibre na owa adwempa e wo dwonto adwuma hunti wo boa ya ma ebi so dwontofo so e mo no kra ebi kan no
Noa call UK, Kofre Island Records. They won't go around or year one session or say, listen to this man, listen to this young man. And I think so we need some of these people. One big believe in us say, oh, this young man Obi what talent be. Let me do kakra metimi ayama when ya a little exposure no I mention the light on him.
Way John Trini Kwadranchi Amansoa was say yera Sam Jonah. Akanena wada Anglo Gold Ashanti anono wati kubi ya friend Gold Nuggets ya eno to nsa frɛ adwontofo bebre no wɔka ho bi ejeje wani a etu gold no ani esan wie ekɔbɔ shows egisika go mbotom
e fane to Ashanti Gold Field ano one be too good I export but o say necessary say obey bibi e dia boa ye industry need to form a group like Gold Nuggets the miners no call combine ba na ye at least one bit me about one club one more but Gold Nuggets were earning one to me call round boy eji won sika
Jomtuni Kwadranchi adesra wode to Ghana sikafo anim se yamwo nkuma no se de be obetime gya wodan so na yekokɔ etie yi na customers said ye sika kosie wo GN Bank enra ebeto dwase ahyase aye twa omoka ya ma ne boni mami esi nyamecha Thompson ekokopie so a wone customers ni bidi nkomo afi wo site esi abobɔ din abobɔ numbers number 91 number 92 na obi ekwakɔgi sika wode ekwakosie sanse dwadifo a wode sika kosie no bisusu se adwuma kondu bia keka kɔna hwa na agua mom sika akem
91 and cause of the row like 91 Mr. says someone 1000 they be 200 they be every they be 200 my I going to say that you man call there they be to miss because obi ni mo chance because this say na ko no obi anfa ni sika den am be tu obi nti obi aro chi say ni sika o nya o wa beji
afa consent from wa Akami akwasa Ghana ban tu anamon a ebeboa ma Ghana ye dwade atimi akoso baabi ba ko odi nani ahye ewe Ghana yesu hyen gina bia ho na mpanifo bi edi dwa wo ho nso na de ba betu dwa se wom sade aban ye na ye de na nso aso de takashi na ye enti ama makodo wo mani wo mo si bibi odi abate se container tracking note CTN single window en nkeka ho no ama enioma bo pagya dodo chief executive officer ya woda rescue shipping and investment ano wono ena odi atu dwa se said the answer sikika kono say aban anhwe na wangugu niema mu a e de aho cheke se beba
trade has not been too much successful. The government, though doing good things and bringing good policies, have been very aggressive, and in the process of this aggressive taxation of port activities had increased cost of doing business in our country.
Wey komo a woni edidwa anaso ye adwuma e wo port honum e na wo de ababeto dwasa aban de oye no nkebeboa de na zese yi ama ahokyira badodo awi ade shima makase bo ye de bram se dwadie kase bo efiri Adom 106.3 FM so no ha ene de ni nyina esemi din ni ohima sachiwa ahnepa akrofi mene kwa mikole no ene free Adom newsroom ababesom wo yeda wasese oka ye hutie na ne e wawoda nana yeboa asuama we are manager ewo GRA Credit Union nyankopon won hyawo won to won kwannam akosua papa bi say we are na de nyina enti nyankopon ka ho ewo akwanuasa nyina so meni abusua nyina so se nyankopon ma nkwatenten a apomodin wom ya besi ahia no me nsa bre. God can stop us now. 106.3